Hey guys, and welcome back to Akshu and Ashi. So for this week's video, I'm going to be sharing to you guys how to make your very own LOL doll bed. So let's get started. You want to start off by taking a piece of cardboard that is 8.5 centimeters by 6 centimeters. Next, you'll need two pieces that are 3 centimeter by 8.5 centimeter and two more pieces that are 3 centimeter by 6 centimeter. You want to start by taking one of your 3 centimeter by 6 centimeter pieces, and you want to add a piece of clear tape on the edge of your cardboard piece. Then taking your more larger piece, so the 6 centimeter by 8.5 centimeter piece, you want to use the tape to attach the two pieces together. Once you've done that, you want to repeat for your other side. Once you've glued on or sticked on the other side, you want to do the same for your other two longer pieces. You also want to connect the sides together. Now we have the base of our bed done. Time to make a headboard. For my headboard, I'm going to take a piece of cardboard that is 6 centimeter by 6 centimeter. I took this light colored wood grain paper and I'm going to cover my cardboard piece with it. Now it's time to make the mattress. I'm going to take my bed frame and trace it on this styrofoam-like material. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. Once you cut it out, you want to cover it in some fabric. I just have a piece of fabric over here and I'm going to use a glue stick to glue it on. Once you've covered your mattress, you want to glue it onto your bed frame. Then you want to take a strip of colored paper that is 3 centimeter by 14.8 centimeter, and you want to make a fold at 6 centimeter. And then you want to repeat for your other longer side, so 3 of your sides should be covered. Then I added some glue at the back of the bed or at the front of the bed, and then I glued down the headboard. Now you can add a paper pillow, which is also on my YouTube channel as a short. Bye!